Hello and welcome in Seema Lifestyle. Today I am making a banana cake or banana loaf. It is again very healthy, very easy and very delicious. It is just in one bowl recipe. So banana is the most healthy and popular fruit on earth. It has vitamin B6, vitamin C and fiber, and it is healthy potassium, healthy carbohydrate. So it is very healthy is going to be, and it is going to be delicious. So let's see what we need for this recipe. My oven is ready on 180 centigrade and my tin is already prepared. So now I am going to mash some banana, as it is banana loaf, so it is very obvious. So I am going to mash with fork. I am not using any machine or any beater or any fruit processor. So it is one bowl recipe and very easy. Just mash it like that. It looks fine. It is done. It looks fine. So my other ingredients will go in. So next ingredient is sugar, brown soft sugar. And oil. I am using vegetable non flavor oil. You can use any oil of your choice. And milk and vanilla essence. It is one of my favorite essence. Now mix little bit. Combine all the ingredients together. And now eggs, 2 eggs, 2 whole eggs. So next ingredients are my dry ingredient next. So I am going to shift them. Then it becomes more airy and more soft. So this is plain flour, it is wholemeal flour, and it is baking soda, and it is baking powder. And little bit salt just to balance all the taste together. And then sieve it. Shift. So in this way they all will, dry ingredients are already combining with each other. It is done. Now just I am mixing them very gently until they get combined with each other. Look at this wonderful, beautiful color. It looks ready to go in our pan, greased pan. all in, and it will go in preheated oven for 50 to 55 minutes. So here we go, our cake is out from the oven. Let's test it. Yeah, it is looking fine. So leave it to cool down here at least 30 minutes. So it looks alright, it is cooled down. So let's transfer in our serving dish. So peel it off, and then here we go. It is looking wonderful, lovely. So you can enjoy this cake with your tea or your breakfast and lunch box, or it is good and healthy version. So look at this, wonderful, ready to taste. It is yummy, it is perfect, it is delicious and very healthy version. You must try this recipe with your family and friends. And thank you for watching. Stay tuned with me.